What's up guys, Surge here. So conversation about the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro have been hitting the net for a while, and we already have a great deal of information out there, some courtesy of leaks and others like the latest video teaser coming in from the company itself where they are teasing how fast we can expect the Mate 20 to be. But we have to agree that all this information is not enough for a real tech enthusiast, and that's why Giraffe.com has shared some practical details including ones we are hearing for the first time. So the Huawei Mate 20 Pro will be backed by a 4200 mAh battery with support for Supercharge 2.0, which promises 70% battery life with 30 minutes of charge. It will also support 15-watt fast wireless charging, and Huawei even claims to have one of the biggest battery life on any flagship phone yet. Another exciting aspect of the Mate 20 Pro is that it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner alongside 3D face recognition technology that repeatedly unlocks the device in half a second. Moving to the next poster, the Mate 20 will have dual stereo speakers with the support for Dolby Atmos and SLS. The devices will also support wireless projection and both 2.4G and 5G networks, which is exciting for me. Huawei will also introduce the high vision technology, which will help in searching code, text, goods, etc., much like the Google Lens, I think. Now, the most innovative aspect is that Huawei is said to be shrinking its expandable storage format from microSD to a so-called nano SD format. It's not clear what exactly the plan is, but it already sounds like some kind of inconvenience. Also, according to one of the slides, the camera system will include AI Smart Zoom, which we are hearing from last week. As far as the camera is concerned, we will have a 24 megapixel front camera lens, and the triple rear camera shouldn't be as powerful as the P20 Pro in terms of zoom, as there will be a regular telephoto camera with an ultra wide angle one. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro will have a 6.9-inch curved OLED screen with Quad HD Plus resolution and also the IP67 rating, but the Mate 20 will have a 6.53 flat Full HD Plus 18:7:9 screen, only 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The battery is rated at 4000 mAh and the phone has IP53 certification. Both the devices will support the latest in-house high silicon Kirin 980 SoC. Both will have Bone Voice ID that will work in crowded areas, and for those who don't understand, it's a type of voice recognition technology. Both will run on Android 9.0 Pie. The only drawback of Mate 20 is that it will not have an in-screen fingerprint scanner, while the Mate 20 Pro drawback is that it will not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Finally, the Mate 20 Pro pricing will apparently be around $1,111 while the Mate 20 Pro price would be in the region of $833. So yeah, the flagships are all ready, and tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.